Alright guys, thanks for checking in Stormtopia.com and the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We're going to have our daily weather update right now. Obviously a major ice storm here, pretty significant in many spots here through the interior and northeast. Here's a live webcam here of Tyngsboro, Massachusetts and northwest Middlesex County. Lots of Middlesex County got hit hard today through Massachusetts into Worcester County, a lot of interior Connecticut. Speaking of the areas hit hard, if we take a look at anywhere in the pink is essentially from northeast Pennsylvania back into northwest New Jersey, parts of southern New York State, interior Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. That's where we've seen disruptive ice accretion today. And you really don't need that much. You need, a tenth of an inch. And there you go. Cars are sliding out. I've had reports in Connecticut from an observer of Stormtopia.com saying that he almost got hit by a snowplow today. Okay, and snowplows are really supposed to be on top of things when it comes to winter weather, which just gives you an idea of what it's like out here today. So, that's just an idea. I mean, those road conditions, that's pretty horrible, okay? And visibility isn't looking too great either. Now, we take a look at the current radar imagery here across the northeast. I'll take you out. You see the precipitation's basically done in Pennsylvania, back into New Jersey. Hudson Valley, we're still getting ice accretion, but that's going to wrap up this evening. Southern New England still has a couple more hours of ice to go. And Boston, we changed over. Boston Metro West is going to change over, but Worcester County should keep the ice accretion going. And then we make our way up into the North Country. It's snowing and will continue to snow for most of the afternoon into the evening. And we take a look at my snowfall accumulation map, which was my final one, which I put out last evening. It verified for most spots here. It might have been a little underdone in a few spots, but verified for the most part, 1 to 3 inches for most of New Jersey, according to an inch before you change over at the coast. And then into New England, it's 2 to 4 inches here for some of the areas hardest hit by ice. Then you get to 4 to 8 inches for parts of interior Massachusetts, at least 6 inches here for western Mass, at least 6 inches through interior New England, 4 to 8 inches up the main coast. So, that's the afternoon update on the storm. I'll have more coverage on the storm at Stormtopia.com, so stay tuned for updates.